Let's start with logging into Ephesoft and navigating to the document upload interface. In order to upload invoices for processing, click on the Browse button. Select the scanned invoices in your local computer and open in Ephesoft. Click on Upload Images. The progress of invoice upload can be seen here. Once all the invoices are uploaded, select the batch to process as Invoice Processing Demo and start processing of the batch. Alternatively, you can allow uploading invoices via emailing Ephesoft or configuring Ephesoft to receive scanned mails from your web scanner. Once uploaded, these invoices go through an image processing stage to recognize its types, classify, and extract information. If there are anomalies detected, these are captured in review and validated stages. Again, in order to demonstrate all the features, the invoices will be deliberately captured in these two stages. Let's click on the batch that was just scanned. This will take us to the review panel. You will see the scanned documents that have arrived to this stage on the left. The red note indicates unidentified or non-confident invoice types, and the green indicates accurately identified invoice types. You will see that both invoices have not been accurately identified, although the preview on the right is correct. This happens since Ephesoft has low confidence of the invoice type. Since the Apple invoice is correct, I will confirm its type and move on to the next invoice for confirmation. It is important to note that one of these invoices are related to a purchase order and the other is not. Once the types have been confirmed, the invoices can go on to the next stage, which is the validation. Next, the processed invoices will be passed onto the validation stage, where given fields will be extracted and matched against. Here you will see that certain fields are empty. However, the invoice clerk can click on a field and insert the value by selecting it on the preview. There are no purchase order numbers and the total to be filled in this invoice, since it is not related to any purchase order. Once this is confirmed, it will move on to the next invoice. The second invoice has a given purchase order number, which has been extracted, and also it is identified that there is a discrepancy between the currencies of invoice total and purchase order total. However, the purchase order created person has not been extracted from the documents. It is extracted from the SAP database within which the purchase order was created. This person's name is necessary for approval. Ephesoft then searches for the purchase order number in the fuzzy database linked to the SAP accounting database. It retrieves the exact row from the SAP accounting database and displays the values corresponding to the person created and purchase order total, and fills in the empty fields in Ephesoft validation stage. The scanned and extracted invoices are exported to Alfresco. For your understanding and information, Alfresco is a leading open-source enterprise content management platform that offers document management, web content management, and record management in one solution. Received folder in the document library initially receives all the invoices, and then a search is carried out to identify these invoices, which require approval against their purchase orders. If there exist such invoices, the person who owns the purchase order shall receive an email notification to their account. You can click on the link and navigate to the particular invoice in Alfresco and click on the approval workflow. Before approving the workflow, let's see where the invoice is located and the information recorded against it. You can navigate to the original location in the received folder and view the invoice. It indicates the invoice is part of the workflow and all the extracted values are inserted in the list of metadata exported to Alfresco. Let's go into the workflow and approve it. Once this step is complete, the invoice is automatically sent to the approved folder. If we open the invoice, the status is updated as approved, and the invoice is synced into SAP, where the purchase order was created. The metadata is updated, indicating that the invoice has been synced into SAP. Let's log in as the purchase order owner, Martin Müller. If we are to navigate to the purchase order in SAP, we are able to view the invoice against its corresponding purchase order.